Okay, so good day everyone. We have here your Math 1 Chapter 3. Check your progress 4. That is page 59. Okay, so counter example. Our topic is counter example. Okay, so counter example or counter example is a statement. Okay, so a statement is true. A statement is true statement provided that it is true in all cases. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, may ganito. X over X is equals to 1. True po siya kung lahat po na cases or lahat po na value ng X, i-substitute dyan ay equal to 1, magiging true siya. Pero kung makahanap po tayo ng isang case o marami pa na nagpapatotoo na hindi po yun tamang statement, that then ang tawag po doon is counter example. Okay? Sabi dito, if you find one case for which a statement is not true, then it is called counter example. Counter example po tawag doon. Then the statement is a false statement. Okay? So, ganun po. Maghanap lang po tayo ng mali. Yun. Diba? Minsan, magaling tayo dyan maghanap ng mali. Okay? So, ganun minsan ang tao. Magaling maghanap ng kamalian. Okay? So, dapat alam na natin to kung paano to gawin. Okay? So, letter A. So, letter A na tayo. Paano ba yung letter A? So, halimbawa kung 1. Kung 1. So, 1, if let x is equals to 1, then 1 divided by 1 is of course 1 divided by 1. That is 1. Tama po kayo. Say for example, 2. 2 divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, saan po tayo dito mag-umpisa? So, halimbawa, 3 naman. O, 3 naman. 3 divided by 3. Then, that is equal to 1. So, kung napapansin natin, wala. Di ba? So, how about 0? Yun naman. How about kung 0 na? So, 0 divided by 0 is equal to 1? Question mark? Question mark. So, anong gagawin natin? So, tignan natin sa calculator, isolve natin. 0 divided by 0. 0 divided by 0. 0 divided by 0. Ayan po ang lumabas. Error. 0 divided by 0 is error. Okay? Kasi, kung ganito yan, ang pag-usapan natin is, palitan natin yung word na 0. Halimbawa, yung word na 0 is maliit o small. Small divided by small, kung ang maliit, ay divide po natin ng maliit pa, o maliit din, siguradong lalaki po yan. Naintindihan nyo? Kung yung maliit, i-divide natin sa maliit, ibig sabihin, lalaki pa yan. Lalaki siya. Naintindihan nyo? So, ganun po. So, siguro hindi yan 1. Kundi greater than 1. Ganun po yun. So, hindi po yun error. Okay? So, hindi lang po mabasa ng calculator. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa 0 divided by 0, doon po nangyari na ang statement po is false. Okay? So, statement po doon is false. So, paano na yan? So, let x equals to 0, comma, then 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 1. It's not equal to 1. So, ayan na. Alam na natin, meron na tayong example. Counter example. We have found a counter example. Therefore, we have found a counter example. Okay? So we have found a counter example. Tuldok. Tas, ito na siya. For all numbers x, comma, x divided by x is equals to 1 is a false statement. Is a false statement. Yun po. Okay? Yun na po ang sagot natin. Yan, lagay natin. Taas for all numbers. Okay? So yan na po ang sagot natin. So let x equals to 0, then 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 1. We have found a counter example. So therefore, we have found a counter example. Thus, for all numbers x, comma, x divided by x is equals to 1 is a false statement. Dito naman po sa kabila, letter B. Halimbawa kung 0. Halimbawa kung 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3 divided by 3 is 1 equal to 0 plus 1. So true po sila doon. Pero halimbawa kung naging 1, let x be a set of number na lang. So pag set of number, let x be set of ano nga ba tawag dyan? Whole number, real number. Ayan, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin para mas maano yung sagot natin. Hindi pwedeng whole number yan. Natural number. Natural number yata yung hindi kasama yung 0. Hindi pwede. Natural number. Natural numbers, the positive integers, whole number, 1, 2, 3, etc. Sometimes 0 as well. So, hindi yung kasama yung whole number, natural number, real number. Oh. Set of whole number, except 0. Set of whole number na lang. Number, except 0. Ibig sabihin, wala yung 0. Yun siya. Kasi kahit anong whole number dyan, halimbawa 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 3 is equal to 1 to 1 plus 1 is 2. So hindi pwede yan, hindi na sila equal. Then x plus 3 over x plus 1 over 3 is not equal to x plus 1. We have found counter example. Thus, yan na, lagyan naman natin na ito. For all numbers, x, tama, x plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to x plus 1 is a false statement. Yan na po yun. Yan na po yung sagot natin. Okay? Let x, sabi niya, let x set of whole number except 0. Kasi kung 0 po yung x, mag-equal po sila sa 1. So, ang counter natin, ang counter example natin is yung mga whole number na hindi kasama yung 0. Naintindihan? So, let x na lang set of whole number except 0. Okay? So, then x plus 3 over 3 is not equal to x plus 1. We have found a counter example. Thus, for all numbers x plus 3 over 3 is equals to x plus 1 is a false statement. False statement po yan. Okay? Sunod, letter C. Letter C naman tayo. So, ano ba yan? 1. Ano ba ang 0? 0 squared is 0. Square root of 16. Yun. Square root of 16 is plus minus 4. Equal to 0 plus 4. So, pwede. Sa positive, equal sila. Sa negative, hindi sila equal. So, next, kung 1. Ayun na. So, 1. So, ganun pa rin. No? So, let x is set. Ayan naman. Let x equal to set of whole number pa rin. Whole number ba? Pwede ba yung 2? 4? O, hindi na. Kasi magbabago yun. So, set of whole number naman. Whole set of whole number. Set of whole number. Set of whole numbers na lang. Then square root of x squared plus 16 is not equal to x plus 4. Yun na siya. X plus 4, comma. We found a counter example. We found a counter example. Tas, yan na naman. Tas, lagyan natin ng ganito. Ganyan. Tas, square root, yung SQRT, square root yan. Square root of x square plus 16 equals to x plus 4 is a false statement. Yan na po. Yan na po yung sagot natin. Kasi kung set of whole number naman, tama naman eh. Kasi kung itong x gawin natin 1. So 1 square is equals to 1 plus 16. So magiging square root of 17. Square root of 17 is not equal to 5. Ganun po yan. Okay? So dito, halimbawa dito, lagay natin dito. Dito yung mga example niya. Halimbawa, 1 squared plus 16 is equals to 1 plus 4. Ayan na. Lagyan natin ng ano. Lagyan natin ng ganyan. Square root daw yan. Okay? So, 1 times 1, magiging ano rito? 1 times 1. So, magiging 1 plus 16. So, 17 is equals to 5. Magiging square root na yan. Magiging square root. Oh. The square root of 17 is not equal to 5. Ganun po yan. So, yan, counter example na po yan kasi nahanap na natin yung mali. Naintindihan? Nahanap na natin yung mali doon sa given na yun na equation. Okay? So, yan po ang counter example niya. Dito naman sa letter A, ayun, hanap na nga natin. 0 divided by 0 dito sa whole number. Sige, lagyan natin. Lagyan natin ng example dito. Dito lagay natin. Halimbawa, set of whole number except 0, so 1. So 1 plus 3 divided by 3 is not equal to 1 plus 1. Ayun na. So ang sagot is magiging 4 divided by 3 is not equal to 2. Okay? So is not equal to 2. Ayan. Ayan po yung counter example natin. Okay? So, check your progress for page 59. Next naman is check your progress. Check your progress. Madali lang naman yun. Okay? So, sa deductive reasoning na po tayo. Sunod yung deductive reasoning. Okay? So, ito po, Sir Lloyd, ng Sir Lloyd Classroom. Okay? So, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Madali lang po mag-enroll. Di ba nakwento ko na kung paano mag-enroll. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang Google account. Tapos subscribe mo lang. Wala na pong payment doon. Okay? Walang payment po sa enrollment dito. Okay? So, libre po ang topic dito. Okay? So, thank you and God bless us all. Thank you for watching. Okay?